Hello, everybody. I hope this message finds you well. I want to take a moment to review some of the material that we've covered in the past, put it into context in the situation that we find ourselves in now with a global pandemic. Specifically, I want to review our lab core values and talk about how that applies right now with the challenges that we're all working through together. You know that I think of STEM as an opportunity as a class for you to develop useful and valuable skills. It's a way for you to learn to be helpful. Ultimately, we expect and hope that to translate into value in the marketplace. It's not time for that yet for you, hopefully for most of you. I didn't really anticipate that you would have an opportunity to practice these values under such serious circumstances. But we do. We live on planet Earth, things happen, this is reality. I feel like many, most, hopefully all of you are well equipped to contribute, to help, to make yourselves useful in your family, your church, your teams, your school, your home, whatever it is, even if you're not here, even if you're confined, isolated for safety reasons, you know what to do. Let me take a minute and go back over our values and talk specifically about how each of those applies right now. You've heard me talk about this many times, right? Initiative. Do what needs to be done without having to be told. Maybe you're confined at home with your parents. Hey, we're not supposed to get out. We're not supposed to gather up together. Look, you do the sweeping. You do the vacuuming. If the dishwasher needs unloaded, unload it. Don't make somebody else tell you. This is an opportunity for you to raise your game, to make yourselves valuable around your house, okay? Your parents got enough to deal with, I promise you. Don't make them do those menial things that you know how to do. Don't make them tell you to do it. You get up in the morning, yeah, we want you to get after your schoolwork. Yeah, we want you maintaining your health and exercising and all that. Make yourself useful. Don't make somebody tell you. See what needs to be done and do it. That's initiative. About thrift. We've talked about that a lot, right? Go to the store today, the shelves are mostly empty. We don't expect that to continue. Our supply chain in America is strong and healthy. The trucks are going to deliver the stuff to the stores. The stores will put it on the shelves. We're going to be able to get it. But today, right now, that's not the case. And a lot of stuff is in short supply. Hand sanitizer, we're not going to see that for months. That's going straight to the hospitals and healthcare facilities. The Clorox wipes that we use, going to have to make do. Groceries, you go to the store, they might be out of milk. Milk's going to come back. Ground chuck, whatever you like to eat, they're going to get it. But they may not have it the day you go. All right, so there's no need to panic. There's no need to stress out about that. But on the other hand, we still want to economize. We want to make the best use of what we have, okay? You should never waste this stuff, all right? I never want you to waste soap, even as cheap as it is. Don't waste it. Milk, juice, whatever. Don't waste it. But especially now when it's precious and in short supply, please notice opportunities to practice thrift at your own home, okay? Don't waste anything. Make the best use of it. On a related matter, we talk a lot about being resourceful, right? So maybe you don't have exactly whatever it is you want or need to accomplish whatever you're trying to accomplish, okay? Find a way, improvise. You don't have any Clorox wipes? Do you have bleach? Do you have paper towels? You're in business. Maybe you don't have any hand sanitizer. Do you know that you can make hand sanitizer with the ingredients that you almost certainly have in your medicine cabinet? And I could make an assignment. I could say, hey, you guys, your assignment is to go make some hand sanitizer. I'm going to leave that to your judgment. You can certainly Google for the recipe. It's very easy if that's what you want to do. The point is, I want you to practice resourcefulness, okay? I want you to don't be stuck. Figure it out. Find a way. We've practiced it over and over and over again in the lab. Take it home with you and practice it at home. Number one value in the lab, top priority, safety. It doesn't apply just in the lab. Be smart, use good judgment. The big phrase now is social distancing, right? We're going to stay away from each other to prevent this thing from spreading. Do it. Not just you. Do it for your grandparents, your parents. Do it for the more vulnerable people, okay? Be smart. Be a leader. Maybe some of your friends are not taking this as seriously as maybe they should. Be a leader. You can admonish them. You can lead them to make better choices. All right, but safety, safety, safety. We talked about tilting the odds. Do you remember we used that phrase some? Tilt the odds, where certain things are not totally within your control, but you can do things to raise your chances. Okay, every time you wash your hands, you tilt the odds in your favor and in your grandparents' favor. All right, every time you choose not to go and gather up with several other people, you tilt the odds in your favor. All right, you've made a good outcome a little bit more likely. Okay, and so if you string together a dozen of those choices in a day, you substantially changed your odds. Okay, wash your hands, wash them again. Practice good hygiene. Look, I told you I want you to be useful. I want you to be helpful. If your grandparents or other older folks need some help, I want you to help them. But be smart about it, okay? Don't go around and go visit this person and then go visit another person and then go visit another person, dragging germs around. Safety, 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 okay? Look, we're here at the school today. We're going to be coming in, until somebody orders us not to. And if we can't come into the school, guess what? We're going to be at home, working on this stuff at home too. If you need something, if we can help you, alert some of us, okay? We're all in this thing together. I'm proud of you. You know what to do.